Banking and Financial Services Fund NFO. Will this NFO help you achieve your financial goals or will it just halt you from achieving your financial goals? Let's analyze this in detail in this video to find out. Grow Banking and Financial Services Fund NFO is open till 31st Jan 2024. Now let us start by looking some of its key features. The category it comes under is sectoral banking. It is an open-ended fund type. It uses Nifty Financial Services TRA as its benchmark. The minimum amount for investment is Rs 500. The fund manager here is Anupam Tiwari. There is no exit load for this fund. Now next we will be moving on to this NFO's philosophy on objective. Philosophy. It aims to invest in opportunities across banking and financial sector. Objective. It aims to create long-term wealth by investing in equity and equity-related instruments of banking and financial services sector. Now let's learn about the suitability of this NFO. It aims to provide long-term capital appreciation by investing predominantly in equity and equity-related securities of banking and financial services companies. This scheme is suitable for aggressive investors who are bullish about banking and financial services sector. Now let's see what are the pros of investing in Grow Banking and Financial Services Fund NFO. This fund is diversified among top performing companies in banking and financial service sector. Investors seeking for allocation in banking and financial services sector can opt this fund. If the banking and financial services sector performs well, then investor can get even inflation beating returns as it is a high risk and high return fund. It is suitable for aggressive investors who have more confidence and are bullish on the banking and financial sector performance. Does this NFO has potential drawbacks or cons? Yes, it definitely has. Let's see what are those. It is riskier for short-term investors. This fund is not suitable for your core portfolio. And not all great sectors translate into stock market returns. You may overexposure your portfolio to negative triggers as well. Not flexible and dynamic when compared to other diversified funds. Can add more volatility to your portfolio, which again is not good for your long-term financial goals. There is a high concentration risk as well. Suppose if the banking and financial sector underperforms, then your returns may get diluted or you might also receive negative returns as well. So you should have the knowledge of timing and circle of competence is important while choosing these sort of funds. It is advisable to approach a financial planner or a mutual fund distributor if you are looking to invest in these sort of funds. So far, I hope I have covered all the important things that you need to know about this Grow Banking and Financial Services Fund NFO. Now it's time for the final takeaway. So as an investor, considering all your financial goals in mind, should you look to invest in this fund or avoid this fund? If you are a first time investor and conservative investor, it is advisable to avoid this fund. And there are existing banking and financial services fund if you are looking to invest in banking and financial services fund, which has a good track record of minimum 7 to 10 years. When you invest in those funds, it might be better suited to your financial goals. And if you see, it is not suitable for your core portfolio as well because there is more volatility involved in it. And if you are not aware of the banking and financial sector, then it's better to avoid this fund. You should consult a financial planner or a mutual fund distributor before opting for your investment choice because they can give you insights on so many things such as investment objective. They will verify the investment objective of this particular fund to your personal investment objective. They will verify the risk profile of this one to your personal risk profile and see if both are aligning or not. If it aligns, then he will only recommend that fund to you. If the overlap ratio is on the higher side, then the mutual fund distributor or a professional financial planner will not recommend this fund to you because if you have high overlap ratio, the chances of you getting inflation beating returns gets diluted. And next you will see the allocation. Suppose if this fund is ideal to your investment portfolio, he will know how much to allocate for this particular fund and how much should be allocated to achieve your financial goals. So for all these guidance, you need to better consult a financial planner or a mutual fund distributor. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like and If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.